description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of his Noodle Recipe Time. It is Friday, the 14th of February, 2025. It's Valentine's Day, hey! And what says Valentine's more than anything? Duck-flavored instant noodles from Germany! Yeah! That's what's coming up. I've really gotta say, I've been quite impressed with these Nissin Germany products. It's funny, I reviewed a lot of them in the past, but this time it seems like they tweaked their recipes and stuff, and it's really quite nice. I'm asking for the Deme Ramen range in particular to try again. I got a ton of them. They came in an advent calendar box, and they had literally a box like boom, boom, boom. It was big, and it had different products: yakisoba, regular Deme Ramen, pack noodle, and cups, and it was pretty cool. The robot vacuum is working well. And there's the new computer over there that I got for free last night. Wow, I'm like, I lucked out. But yeah, I tell you, you gotta see if there's a Buy Nothing group in your area. I don't know, it's crazy. I've gotten way too much stuff off of there. I like to give back, which I need to like drop a message on there, and I've got a TV set that I don't want. I thought it'd be great. Yeah, I don't need it. But yeah, cray stuff. Anyway, yeah, today is Valentine's Day, and I don't know, it seems really dour around here with what's going on in our government. I don't know. I hope logic prevails. That's all I can say. I really do. Everyone deserves a break today. Ugh. But yeah, duck. I've had a lot of duck in Taiwan, especially in Thailand. They had lots of duck variety stuff, like actual duck, you know, street vendors, stuff like that. I've never had duck in Germany, and I bet you it's served completely different. I would think. That's a place I'd always wanted to go. The idea was that I was part German, and it's minuscule. People are like, see my last name, and they're like, oh, you must be German. Or they see my first name as Hans, and they're like, oh, you must be German or Dutch. I'm like, really, if you look in my like ancestry stuff, really not much. It's mostly like British Isles and Scotland. It's like really boring greaseball white people crap, you know? So, I don't know. But as far as this show goes, folks, there's no tariffs on you. I will not charge you a tariff to watch the show. If you want to donate to the Ramen Raider, that's great, and that really helps us out. You have no idea. But no, there's no tariff involved. No. Here's our noodle. So we're going duck today. Duck and egg. Cheers. Noodle is good. Here's our broth. It's funny, a hot, soupy cup noodle in betwixt 2 cold noodles today. That's unique. And what's interesting is that the duck flavor in this versus the deme ramen that they make are very different. This one definitely does have more of a sweet onion taste to it, whereas the deme ramen variety almost is reminiscent of curry. There's a lot more, you know the difference? There's spicy and then there's spiced. Kind of like, think of spiced wine or spiced apple cider or something versus, you know, something with jalapenos in it, you know? Just like lots of flavor, lots of herbs, things like that. That's what I got more with the other one. This one definitely does have a what do you call it? I think that's where I want to go. You know, this one has definitely more of that sweet onion taste to it, which is actually really good. I think it'd be really neat to go to Germany, whether I really have any background there or not. There is a Lenish farm. My last name is Lenish, and supposedly it's named after the linen ash tree. Yeah, but it was some kind of like feudalism thing, and there was a fight over this property boundary, and 2 families married, and that's what ended it. But I don't know. It's funny because that ancestry DNA really says I'm like really not very German. I'm guessing that whole thing happened a long time ago, and there's been a lot of, you know, stuff that's happened since then. Well, not inbreeding, God, but who knows? Anyways, rotate, buddy, rotate. Thanks for watching. Now it's time for the last one, and this is from another one that Noodle Journey sent. I'm kind of running to the end of those. I think all I've got left are a couple more cold varieties. Hopefully I'll do those when I have more vegetables. But this is Marutai, and this is a Hayashi Chuka Soba. Kind of like the noodle salad, so it's a cold noodle. If you look at the picture, it kind of looks like a Cobb salad going on there. So yeah, I'll do what I can. I do have some lunch meat. I could do some turkey on it, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.